Let me double check. I guess I'm clear. Anyway, I'm just here. Just to go live a little bit with what's happening in the Philippines right now. After Odette passed the central part of the Philippines, right now our place was devastated. Not only our place, but the entire Visayas. And it's been 3 days since Odette, or international name of the typhoon is RAI, which is already here in Hong Kong, but it's not as strong anymore as when it went to the Philippines. Anyway, yeah, we're just going live right now. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, this is what's happening right now. 3 days ago, the typhoon struck the Philippines, the middle part of the Philippines, which is the Visayas. And until now, the cry of the people that are affected are just the basic needs, especially water, fresh water. They got some water, but I feel like it's not enough. And I see a lot of posts in Facebook as well that a lot of people lost their houses, their homes. Everybody's having a hard time with their connection because they don't have Wi-Fi, they don't have the internet, they don't have electricity. This is what's happening now. And yeah, it's sad. I hope the help from the government will be there already. Badly affected cities or provinces in the Philippines are Siargao, Leyte, Southern Leyte, Cebu, Bohol, where else? Palawan, Siargao. Did I say Siargao already? Yeah. Hello, Ann Michelle Ramirez. Welcome. Nag-live lang ka dito. So I can see a lot of few groups in Facebook asking help. From other people, because if you got cash in uh, in the affected places right now, you want, I mean, you need cash, yes, but uh, it won't be enough because people needs water, people needs the basic needs, food and all that. People needs electricity first. That's why a lot of people are looking for generators. But the problem is the generators needs uh, fuel, which is very bad as of the moment. The supply, the big company said there's no shortage of supply, but people are really panicking, buying gasoline um, to be used uh, for their transportation to their generate also for their generators. But you know, um, people are having a hard time there right now. So I just read the message here from Metropolitan Cebu Water District that more than 30,000 families will soon have their water supply back as Metropolitan Cebu Water District's well well fields in Talamban and Benel will be energized in 2 days. Still in 2 days. Uh, I think that isn't that's not enough. I think it should be okay. And also from Subo.ph, they shared that there's free water at Grand Con. So those people who are living around that area or from the neighboring cities or towns, you can go to Grand Convention Center of Cebu from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you guys really need water, then you can go to Grand Con. So yeah, this is what I have here. Whatever news that I see or some infos, just gonna say it here. Yeah, people are badly hit as of the people from the middle of the Philippines are badly hit. And look, people are selling drinking water. Before they used to the regular selling price for these water are around 20 pesos or 25 pesos, but now they're selling it for 60 pesos. Even the gasolines, the day before the typhoon, uh, the day before the typhoon, the gasoline was priced around 50 something to 60, and now they're selling it for 90 pesos to 120 pesos, which is a lot in this time as well. It's not it's not acceptable actually selling that price in during these times. So people are looking for ATM machines because they need to withdraw, they need money so that they can buy some basic needs around the area, which is quite tough as well. So I really do think it's better to anyway. Well, it's not all bad news and all that, no. But I can see a lot of good Samaritans sharing their electricity to other people, uh, for so that they can charge their phones. People are still smiling even with the situation. People are A lot of people are looking for rooms that is good for 2 to 3 nights, that has electricity and stable internet. People are posting, whoever, uh, uh, asking if who has some extra rice for their family back in the Philippines. It's quite tough, no? But this is I'm just getting these info uh starting yesterday, because the past few days we didn't get any information from our families. It has been it has been it has been off or something. I mean, there's no internet connection the past few days. So the past 2 days ago, I've read some post that they have water refilling station, and they just need electricity so that they can uh, get water, also so that they can also supply water in their area. It's quite tough, but I hope this will be over soon. But I don't think it's gonna be that fast. A lot of people are looking for solar electric fan, chargeable fan, looking for generators. If you don't know, Cebu is badly hit. But look, it's not only Cebu, but also the neighboring islands, especially Bohol, Siargao, Surigao, uh, Palawan. It's bad. It's very bad, and I don't know how much damage the typhoon made, but it's a lot. And I'm not sure if you're familiar about the Naga Plaza, the boardwalk. Uh, yeah, that place is totally devastated too. So bad. A lot of damages. Well, that's how it is. Okay, I just saw a post. BDO ATM naa sa SMC side until 7 p.m. So, until 7 p.m. sa seaside. Mm. Anyway, uh, if you get, uh, if I have some information, I'll just read it to you guys. So a lot of people are looking for Palawan, Cebuana, Padala, because they really need money already. I've read a lot of posts too that they don't have their house anymore. Mm, that's sad. Anyway, just that's it for today. Just gonna go for another live session next time. Just trying this out too. Anyway, cond- condolence to all the families that lost their loved ones, and I hope everybody will be fine in this coming few days, weeks, or months. Um, Everybody is affected by the typhoon, and I wish everyone well. And I'll try my best what I can help whoever contacts that I have. Um, anyway, guys, stay strong and stay positive. Love you all.